So hello guys, JL here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to input your smart BNB chain address in ICE network. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we're an ICE open network, but for now it was white paper, but now it is reality. As you can see, you can check the coin metrics right here. So there's 6.7 in circulating supply and 21 in total supply. So its price right now is about 0.003 cents. And the FDV is about 80 million and the 24-hour trading volume is 3.8. So as you can see right here, you can buy ICE on these exchanges. So you don't really have to put your BNB Smart Chain address anymore. So you can directly trade on OKX, KuCoin, Gate.io, HTX, and many much more. So for example, we go to OKX and now we can trade it. So we can buy and sell our ICE network without having to input the BNB Smart Chain address. So let's just wait for this since it's really slow to load. So let's just go with Gate.io for now. So as you can see right here, Gate.io trades with ICE over USDT. As you can see, we have a bearish market right now, but now you can do so. So you don't really have to place your BNB Smart Chain address anymore. You can trade it directly. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. And thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.